Hi, let's talk about tips for saving money on everyday expenses today. Saving money on everyday expenses is an effective way to free up more cash for saving, investing, and achieving your financial goals. Here are some practical tips to help you save money on your day-to-day expenses. 1. Create a budget. Start by creating a budget that outlines your monthly income and expenses. Track your spending to identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds towards savings. 2. Track your spending. Keep track of every penny you spend to identify where your money is going. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to categorize your expenses and pinpoint areas where you can reduce spending. 3. Cut down on dining out. Dining out can be a significant expense. Reduce the frequency of eating at restaurants and opt for home-cooked meals instead. Plan your meals for the week, make a grocery list, and stick to it to avoid impulse purchases. 4. Pack your lunch. Bringing your lunch to work instead of buying it can save you a substantial amount of money over time. Prepare meals in advance and pack them in reusable containers to take with you. 5. Use coupons and discounts. Take advantage of coupons, discount codes, and loyalty programs to save money on groceries, household items, and other essentials. Look for deals online, in newspapers and through store apps. 6. Shop smart. Comparison shop to find the best prices on items you need to purchase. Consider buying generic or store brand products instead of name brands to save money without sacrificing quality. 7. Buy in bulk. Buying certain items in bulk can be more cost-effective in the long run. Stock up on non-perishable items like rice, pasta, canned goods, and cleaning supplies when they're on sale. 8. Cut back on subscription services. Review your subscription services and cancel any that you don't use or need regularly. This could include streaming services, gym memberships, magazine subscriptions, or monthly delivery boxes. 9. Reduce utility costs. Lower your utility bills by being mindful of your energy and water usage. Turn off lights and appliances when not in use. Unplug electronics, adjust your thermostat, and fix any leaks or drafts in your home. 10. Use public transportation or carpool. Save money on transportation costs by using public transportation, carpooling with coworkers, or biking or walking whenever possible. This can reduce fuel expenses, parking fees, and vehicle maintenance costs. By implementing these tips for saving money on everyday expenses, you can reduce your spending, increase your savings, and work towards achieving your financial goals.